Okay, so we just hopped over the barrier wall.
Oh my God, George, look at these cars. We don't even know what kind of cars these are. They're so packed.
So all the way down Lakeshore Drive.
Oh my God.
Look at this.
There's emergency vehicles everywhere.
And I don't know where this guy thinks he's gonna go, but we're gonna keep going, so let's go.
Look at this car. This could be us, babe, stuck in the damn car.
Well, with your Beamer, yeah. No.
Thank God. They're still on. That's a good old BMW for you. And as you can see,
Here's the rescue crew.
there's rescue crew.
Look at these guys. And we're just...
Looking for his car. Look, baby, this guy's looking for his damn car.
Look at this.
This is Armageddon.
This is the craziest thing I've ever seen.
Parking lot. How are these cars? Here's a question of the day, babe.
Here.
This is the question of the day.
What's the question of the day?
Question of the day is, when are these cars going to be safely removed from like miles and miles of Lakeshore Drive?
It's gonna take days because if you, I don't know if, God, I hope this comes through on the video, but look at all of these cars. This is the most unbelievable thing. Literally mile after mile after mile on Lakeshore Drive.
Look at this, babe. That's scary. Can you imagine?
Look.
These guys, look at this. Is scary, George.
I hope there weren't like kids and stuff in here. I know this is like crazy.
There were kids. I mean, you know what?